Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 2S, and today I'll show you how you can install GCam. You have to open the Play Store, then you have to tap on the search pool and type GCamator. It's right here, click install. Let's open. Right now just simply click right here. As you can see, there we got our Android version. Click to start download. Okay, let's try to tap another time. Click allow, close this ad. Now just wait. Click install. Tap on the settings, tap on the switcher. Right now we have to accept this one. Then just simply go back, click install another time. Accept. Right now let's open. And as you can see right now we got the GCam on our phone, on our Mi Mix 2S, so we can try all this stuff and compare with the stock camera. So just let me in the photo which one works better for you, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.